Hello, my unstoppable people. Have you been suffering for lack of money? You always need money to solve one problem or the other. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to attract money to yourself, to your wallet. Please, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome to my channel. This is Mystic Nature. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Always give me a thumbs up and let me hear your testimony in the comment section. What you'll be needing to attract money into your life, to your wallet, is cinnamon. You have cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, whichever one you have. You just get the cinnamon. If you don't know what is cinnamon, this is cinnamon stick. This is how it looks like. The aroma is so nice. This is cinnamon stick. Then you can grind it into powder. So if you are using cinnamon stick like I am doing now, all you have to do is to get any denomination. You can use the highest denomination or the lowest. In Nigeria, this is our highest denomination. This is a 1000 naira note, and this is 500 naira note. So in this video, I will be using cinnamon stick and this note. So watch how you are going to be doing this. So this is the cinnamon stick and this is the note. You just cut out a little of the cinnamon, then you place it on the currency. And this is it. Then you keep saying your intention while folding the money towards you, that you attract money to yourself and to your wallet. You are a magnet of money. From today, money will be chasing you and not you chasing money. Wherever you go, wherever you lay your hands upon, it will attract money. You now fold it with the cinnamon stick. Fold it towards yourself. Don't fold it out. You attract it. You are attracting it to yourself, into your wallet. So after folding it, you look at it. Then you get your wallet. Then you put it in your wallet and leave it there. With this, the cinnamon will be attracting money. By doing this, you will notice that you will not be in lack of money anymore. Money will be coming to you. Whatever you lay your hands upon, it will magnet money. It will attract money. It will attract people to favor you with money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and let me hear your testimony in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for sticking by. Stay blessed.